Well, it looks like we're gonna have a go of it today. No rain. I think that means we're gonna be good to waterproof. The guys are here. They're getting ready. So I think today will be a successful day. That's the only thing we have to do is get this thing waterproofed, and I'll call that a success. Now that they have waterproofed the wall, as you saw earlier, we have to run this pipe through the wall, and then we're going to put some hydraulic cement around it and patch that waterproof just around the area. This is going to allow all the runoff from the driveway to have a path through the wall without creating a lot of pressure behind it. So we're going to take care of that right now. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to prime the outside of this just like any other PVC pipe. We got to make a good connection so it's watertight, so make sure you do the priming first. A lot of people try to leave that step out, think it's not necessary. It's necessary on this. On the conduit, it's a little different. I'm not trying to hold water back. On this, it's best to just do it right.
What is that?
So we're gonna bed the pipe in the wall, and then go ahead and glue everything together once it's in the wall. That way we can make sure we have the proper pitch. So right now I'm going to be mixing up some hydraulic cement, and then it dries really fast, so got to work fast. But I'm going to work my way from the other side of the wall in, just so I can set that pipe in there good. So this hydraulic cement says 3 parts powder to 1 part water. You want to use clean water, so we've actually lined this other bucket in plastic because it's kind of gross. That was Jana's idea. Smart girl. Anyway, I'm going to take a cup, DQ, not sponsored yet, and we are going to do equal parts powder, 3 to 1, mix it up, and we'll give it a shot. Is glue the pipe in the joint. We ran out of glue, so we we cut away so we could get some fresh glue.
You need me to do it?
I can't believe this. See if that trick works. You gotta be kidding me. Is this one of those trick lids? If you can get it.
I can't get it, probably. You can't, but I do have a key. You
You gotta be kidding me.
Are your hands greasy?
Nope.
Would you do it with gloves?
Yeah. Try your gloves.
Little baby gloves.
I can't fit my hands in here. Yeah, I can. All right.
Use that trowel to knock it.
This is just stupid. Hurt my hand. If I had a set of pliers, it'd be no problem.
Get the trowel.
The trowel's not gonna do anything.
No, like put a dent in it, loosen up the air. Like with pickles. It's not what I meant. I mean on the edge.
The pickle technique worked. All right, don't point it down.
You would know that if you ate pickles.
All right, back to business. All right, so now what we're gonna do is glue these together. Damn, I did it again. Okay, roll it. So when we press these together, it's got some pressure behind it, and we need to make sure that we hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds once it gets in there. Otherwise it will push back. All right, that's good. Now we're gonna bed this. I've already put a good bit of hydraulic cement in there, as y'all saw me do. So now I'm gonna put it in there. Jan's gonna run to the other side, and then I'm gonna try to lock it in here. So here we go. Hello. All right, so now I'm gonna run to the other side. I'm gonna mix up some more hydraulic cement. We're gonna secure that in there and just make sure that everything is at a 90 degree coming up. So if you see right there, we need to make sure this is coming up vertical at a 90 degree. So it's crucial that we don't move it while I'm bedding it in, packing it in with that hydraulic cement.